Welcome, it's Kimberly with Knit for Brains, and I am excited. Today is unboxing day. Now, I had said in the past, I'm not going to order any more Santa sacks because I have so many. However, what I didn't say is that I would never order one of the mystery boxes by Lion Brand. And it just arrived. And when I tell you it just arrived, like I actually chased the mailman down the driveway. I think he's still recovering. I think he's going to be okay. I was so excited to get this thing so I could open it up, and literally I'm opening it and I'm posting this video on the same day. This is from Lion Brand. This is their mystery box. It costs $19.99 and it included, I think it was 9 skeins. We'll just have to wait and see here. I'm literally opening. I have been so excited, waiting and waiting and waiting. Okay, so here we go. This is the Lion Brand mystery box, which is currently still available on their website. I think it's taking the place of the Santa sacks. Are you ready? Oh my gosh. Oh, now. Okay. I won't be upset about this. This is the mystery box, and one of each. And like I said, I think it was $19.99. So first thing I got was 3 skeins of the Hometown Lion Brand yarn, which I do very much like. This is a nice color. It is called Slatington Slate. Slatington Slate. It is a I'm just gonna rip this one open, figure out what this is. So what I'm seeing, and you'll see in a second, is kind of a color scheme going on. So Hometown, which I love. If you haven't tried this yarn, definitely give it a try. This is a chunky weight. It's a bulky rather. It is a weight of 6. It's 100% acrylic. 81 yards in each skein. So I got 3 skeins of this. This is the Hometown Lion Brand, and the color again is called Slatington Slate. Ooh. So I got 3 skeins of this. Very exciting. Bring it out of the plastic here. I just love Lion Brand. I mean, I love yarn. Let's not be judgmental. I love yarn, but I really do love Lion Brand. Now, here's another one. Pound of Love. If you haven't tried these, great. You get a lot of yardage in this. So I got Pound of Love in kind of a gray color. Maybe even a mushroom. Let's see what they call it. Oh, okay, they're calling it taupe. Closer to a mushroom. This is a taupe. Now, in these Pounds of Love, it's literally a pound. This is a weight of a 4. And this has 1,020 yards. So as you can see, Pound of Love and weight of 4. Nice and big for old eyes. Actually, I like this color. I wasn't sure that I would. Taupe's kind of a brown, but great color. So, pound of that. And then I got the Basic Stitch. This is a gray, kind of a variegated. I'm going to move the box over to the side. So, this is a variegated, kind of looks like a gray color. These are, so I got 3 skeins of this. Each skein has 157 yards. This is the Basic Stitch. It's called Gray and White, and it is 100% acrylic, and it's a weight of 4. So this is the Basic Stitch here, and I got 3 skeins of this. Okay, so I did the Santa sacks, and there was a couple, I don't want to say dogs, but things that are kind of hard to use. So I was like, okay, I'm going to stop with this. But this I'm really happy with. So these are all, so this is a weight of, this is a weight of a 6. This is the homespun Lion Brand yarn in the weight of 6. And this is Slatington Slate, 3 of those. This is a weight of a 4 in the Basic Stitch, Gray and White variegated, also nice. And then a Pound of Love in taupe, and this is a weight of 4. So all of this for $19.99. I'm not hating it. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more of my segments, And please comment below, like and subscribe if you like seeing videos like this. More is coming, so thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.